Hello, welcome. We are having a question that is a word problem. A two-digit number is 6 more than 4 times the sum of 8 digits. The digits from the left to the right are consecutive even integers. We have to find those numbers. Now, when they talk of a two-digit number, can you just think of any two-digit number? I can have 51. I can think of 24. I can think of 18. These are all two-digit numbers. Now, in this case, we need to represent the position of 5 by a variable since we are not aware of it, and that of the y also by a variable. So if I represent them by a variable, the variable is taking the position of the place value. Remember, if I use x here and I use y here, in mathematics, if you have not read the question, your mind goes into 5x times y. That is what your mind will go for. This is x times y by multiplication. But in the case of this, the x is not multiplying the y, but is occupying the position of the 5. And the position of the 5 here is not 5 times 1, but rather this is 10 position and this is the 1. So this is actually 50 plus 1. The number you're looking for is 50 plus 1, which is 51, not 5, 1. Do you get it? 5, 1 are the digits. 5 and 1 are the digits of the number 51. 55 tens and ones. So if I am replacing the 5 by y, I should have in mind that it is actually 5 as tens position multiplying by what? 10, right? So this will also mean that I should multiply this by x, then the 1 is just 1's position, so I have this. So the number I am thinking about is not 5y, but rather what? 10x plus y. That's the number that you are thinking about. That is the two-digit number with each place value placed in respective position. So I can say that these are the digits of the number, but this is a number. So we can say that we let x, y be the digit of the number, right? If x, y are the digits of the number, then that implies that the number itself is going to be 10x plus what? Y. I mean, the number we are thinking about, two-digit number. This is the two-digit number, right? All right. So this number, as we are having here, is what? 6 more than 4 times. So 6 more, meaning 6 is the difference between the 4 times the sum of the digits. What will be the sum of the digits? What are the digits? The sum of 51, the digit of 51 is 5 plus 1, which is 6. The sum of the digit. The digits are the symbols used in writing a number, right? So the sum of this is going to be x plus y. So 4 times this plus 6 is what gives us this digit. This number is 6 more. If I am 6 years more than you are, if you are 5 years, I should be 5 plus the 6. So my age is equal to your age plus what? 6. So the number is equals to 4 times the sum of the number plus 6. So I am going to swallow so many sentences here and just say that, okay, let me just say, sum of digit is going to be x plus what? Y. So 4 times this. So this simply implies 10x plus y is equals to 4 times the sum of the digit plus what? 6. Bear in mind, this 6 can also be here. If I subtract the 6 years from my age, I should be getting your 5, which is your age. It's the same principle. So we are still on the first statement here, ending here. Let's expand. I should be having 10x plus y equals to 4 times x 4x, 4 times y, 4y plus what? 6. Let me group all the variables to one side. That should be giving me 10x minus 4x plus y minus 4y equals to leaving the 6 at the other side. And I think 10x minus 4x will be 6x. Then y minus 4y will be minus 3y equals to 6. I can see this is an equation that involves two variables, but there's a common factor of what? 3, 3, 3, 3. So that implies that if 3 divided here, I have 2x minus y. That's our first equation we can get since x and y are unknown. Then the digits from left to right are consecutive even integers. Where do we have the digit? X, y. This is our digit, consecutive even number. Which means that when the first number is 10, the next one will be 12. When the first number is, okay, we are thinking of single digits. So if the first number is 2, the next will be 4. If the first is 4, the next will be 6. It means there's a difference of 2, 2, 2. So if x is the first number, the second number will be x plus what? 2. Don't forget, the first number is our x. The second number is y, meaning y is x plus 2. So here it implies that we have, so our consecutive even numbers will be x plus what? 2. Where x plus 2 is equals to what? Y. Because these are the digits we are referring to. The first number, the second number. So that means y equals to x plus 2 as what? The second equation. So these are two equations that have two unknowns that can be solved simultaneously. So what should I do? I am going to do substitution. So we substitute equation 2 into equation 1. That means your 2x minus y. What is the y? The y is not x plus 2 equals to 2. I mean from here, the y is replaced by x plus 2. So this becomes 2x, negative 1 times x, negative 1 times 2 minus 2 equals to 2. I guess this is going to be x. Then from here, I have minus 2 equals to 2. So x equals to this 2 and plus 2. So x is just what? 4. But what do? We are looking for both x and y. So let's put that into equation 2. So from equation 2, my y is going to be x, which is 4, plus 2, making it to be what? 6. So therefore, the number we are looking for is x, which is 4, the y, which is what? 6. That means the number we are looking for is 46. You can see they are consecutive even numbers. From 4, we get to 6. That is the second aspect. The first aspect of the number is what? 6 more than 4 times the sum. What is the sum of this? 10. 10 times 4, 40, plus 6, 46. So that is the number we are looking for by check. I guess the concept is clear. Maybe a little bit longer, but take your time, follow through, you will be able to understand. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.